everybody, welcome back to Cooking and Crafts. Today we'll be making a beautiful Christmas snow globe, and it's super easy to make and it's a great gift for the holidays. So we'll be starting off with a jar, a picture, or a tiny object such as a mini igloo, and then you'll need some water and glycerin, which is optional, and then you'll need decorations. I have some glitter, but you can also use stuff like pom-pom, gems, or anything else you can find around your house. So to start off, take off your lid and place a line of hot glue and stick your object or picture right on top. Once that's done, take your jar and fill it up with water. Don't fill it up all the way to the rim, as it will need some space to shake. Then fill it up with all of your decorations. And then mix it up real good. I'm just adding some glycerin, but that's optional. Finally, take your lid and seal it super tight so that none of the water leaks out. And you're done. That is your finished snow globe. And to make it a little bit extra Christmassy, I just decorated with some ribbon and a bow. Merry Christmas, everybody. And don't forget to like and subscribe.